So if you look at, agentic AI or agentic automation to start with, it's a very recent development, I would say. In terms of the technology, it's a very new technology, and so hardly few months, I think, lot of vendors have launched the agentic AI and agentic automation. If you look at from the India landscape perspective, let's understand, why do customer need something like agentic AI? So many corporates, when they started automating their workflows and processes, they started with a very simple processes. Now, if you look at the landscape has completely changed. Today, organizations having very complex workflow, complex processes. So earlier automation, which is RPA, robotic process automation, can no longer serve those complex processes, and hence there is a need for agentic AI and agentic automation. That has given a rise to companies exploring agentic AI because of the complex its ability to solve the complex problem. From an India perspective, many customers have gone in with pilot, POCs, private previews. Like UiPath has recently launched agentic AI, but we announced the launch much couple of months back when we gave the technology to some customers to play around with it, so that we get the feedback, we get the first-hand view as to how customers are going to leverage it. I think the initial feedback has been really good. We are very encouraged with the way customers have come up with the new use cases to solve some of the problems which RPA couldn't solve. So I see to it that the adoption will pick up as we move forward in the next couple of months. Yeah, that's a great question. Many people think that agentic AI or agentic automation will replace the traditional RPA or traditional automation, but that is not the case, because people fail to understand that what agentic AI does is basically complements or elevates the automation that companies have already done. So if you look at pure play RPA, you have bots, which provides you pure play deterministics, rule based automation. Whereas when we look at agentic AI, that provides you goal based non deterministic automation. So in the first case, when companies have done simple automation, it was robots and people. So there were, two entities we were working in harmony to create the automation. If you look at agentic AI, it has three entities instead of two. You have robots, you have agents, and you have people. So what it has done is it has added smart agents into the whole equation to solve the complex problem. So it doesn't take away RPA from the equation. RPA stays, there are agents and the human in the loop, which works together in a perfect harmony to deliver simple agentic automation. And that's the beauty. It's not going to replace, it will stay there, but more and more complex business processes will get automated using agentic process. So that's how it's going to solve the complex problem.